Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making key lime pie for you guys, so please stick around and watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and leave me a comment down below. Please stay tuned and watch this video. Ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe are: you're gonna need 1/3 cups of butter, you're gonna need 1/4 cup of brown sugar, you're gonna need 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 eggs, you're gonna use the egg yolks, you're gonna need 2 of these pack of graham crackers, you're gonna need 2/3 of freshly squeezed key lime juice, and you're gonna need a condensed milk. You can use whatever brand you want to use, and these are the ingredients to make the key lime pie. Start with the crust, and the crust is just basically the graham crackers. You can go ahead and use a food processor, but I don't have any food processor. I'm using the old-fashioned one. Just gonna put these into a bag, a Ziploc bag. Take the air out if you don't want the bag to burst. And then you just mash these up. Just mashing these up. So now you got your crumbs all nice. Now we're gonna add the butter to it. The sugar, you want everything nicely combined. And now I'm just gonna add the butter. And once you get a good oil like this, you just want to go ahead and put it into your pie dish. I'm using a 9-inch pie dish. And now I'm just gonna make the crust. You just want to take your time with this part. You can use your hands, you can use measuring cups. You can just use a flat surface, something flat, to get everything even out, so you have a nice crust. And for me, it's the crust for me when I'm eating pie. I love a lot of crust. I love when the crust is thick and nice, and you just bite into it. After forming our crust, look at this beautiful crust. Now I'm just gonna pop this into the oven for 10 minutes to bake. Look at this beautiful crust. While the crust is into the oven, I'm gonna start with the custard. So first I'm gonna start with the eggs. And we're gonna use the egg yolks. So we're gonna do the egg yolks. So we're gonna crack an egg, and we're just gonna use our egg yolks. Okay, so 1 egg yolk, See? 2. I'm just gonna go ahead and beat this up with the whisk. I'm just gonna add about 1 tablespoon of key lime zest, or maybe a teaspoon, depends on how many you can get from the lime, from the key lime. So we're gonna zest this. Smelling so good. These limes are so aromatic. Smelling so good. So that's it. Add the condensed milk. And I'm just gonna use 1 can of condensed milk, and this is what's gonna give its creaminess and sweetness to it. Okay, 1 can of condensed milk. Just gonna whisk this together while we gradually add the juice of the key limes. Now we're just going to pour this into our cool pie shell. You're going to put this into the cool graham crackers. You want it to be completely cool before adding the custard to it. So now we're just going to pour this in. Nice, I love the flavors. Smells so limey and nice. Smells so good. Now I'm just gonna pop this into the oven, even this out. I'm just gonna put this into the oven for at least 10 minutes until it's firmed up, or maybe 10 to 20 minutes until it's not jiggly like this. And then we refrigerate into the oven. This is it, guys. Inside is no longer jiggly, and you're just gonna let this cool down before putting it into the fridge to all set up. You want to just put it in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, 3 to 6 hours, or 24 hours. I'm just gonna let mine stay for 24 hours, and after 24 hours we're gonna show you the finished product. So this is it, guys. We're just gonna let this cool down and put it into the fridge for overnight. Or as I said before, you can leave it for 3 hours or 3 to 6 hours. There you have it, guys. This is our key lime pie. It has been 24 hours or overnight, and now we're just gonna add some whipping cream on top, or homemade whipping cream, just to give it some design.
It's so yummy. If you put it around that, it will look more prettier. It's a combination.
Like a combination?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is our key lime pie, guys. Really easy. Smelling so nice.
Mommy.
Just want to get them.
Can I put one in the middle?
You want one in the middle? Yeah. You do this one. You squeeze it.
I squeeze it?
Yeah, in the middle. Right.
That's okay, Mommy?
Yeah. And now we're just going to add some key lime zest on top, like so, just to give it some garnish.
Can I scrape it?
Yes.
Not in the middle.
And that's enough. So there you have it, guys, our key lime pie. And then we're just gonna cut into it We're just gonna cut, Maya.
One in the middle.
I know.
This is like a whipped cream in the middle. Cut this lily.
Just wipe the knife.
Nothing else, you just need to wipe the knife.
The first piece is always the hardest to come out. You know that? Yeah. See?
I can't wait to pick it up.
Now we're just gonna take it out with the fork. Ooh, voila.
Yeah.
And there you have it. Beautiful crust, I tell you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful crust. I told you that the first one is always the hardest and the messiest one. But after you cut the first piece, you know, you get perfect slices. And we're gonna just add some more whipped cream on top. This is a beautiful key lime pie. And as we cut into it, you could smell the lime. As we cut into it, you could smell the lime, and this is beautiful. And we could just dress this up for you, but we're not gonna do that. But we're gonna take beautiful picture after we do this video, and we're just gonna do a taste. We're just gonna do a taste test, man. We wanna get everything, the crust and the custard. Want to taste it?
No, I want to taste it with the whipped cream here.
So good.
I want to taste it with the whipped cream.
Want to taste it with whipped cream?
Yeah.
So good, Maya. I'll put everything on top for you. Ah, big bite, big bite. Oh, you want the crust? So lemony, right? Lime. I would say lemony. So limey, right? It's good. Tell them if it's good or not.
It's good.
You like it? No, Maya, that's a messy smile. So good. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.